What's up, guys? It is day one of flocking my dash. I think we're allowed to, are we allowed to say flocking on YouTube? I don't know. But in other news, YouTube basically cut their whole YouTube program to a lot of small YouTube channels, so I don't get money anymore from videos, which I wasn't getting that much, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter, so I can say fuck now, or really whatever I want, and then it doesn't matter. So, we're gonna get started on this dash. Now, what I'm gonna do first is basically just kind of wipe it down with rubbing alcohol and clean all the tire dust and grime and gunk that's been on this thing for years. And then we will see where we're at after that. So let's get to cleaning. Hey, Sue. 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 Are you prepared for this? You ready? You happy? Dog doesn't care. But we're gonna clean it. I'm just gonna rub it down with rubbing alcohol and some paper towels and get all the gunk off that I can. So let's get started on that. All right, so update, the dash cleaning is going pretty well. We are almost done. We've got a giant pile of used paper towels that we took off of all of this, and yeah, we're getting close. We're getting close to laying some shit down and flocking it and all of that. But we'll get this finished up, cleaned, and then I'll go over the process of like what we're actually doing and what's going on. So yeah, let's just get back to cleaning. Also, I'm not going to video me cleaning because I assume you guys all know how to rub stuff down with alcohol, and it's really boring. So we're not going to do that.
2,000 years later.
So we're all set up to basically kill people out here. I mean, flock dashes. So we are good to go. The thing is all cleaned. I need to go get my dash and then bring it out here, but we're good to go. So let's go get the dash. It's all one piece. I guess I'm at your armrest one. Yeah, that's not on there. You know how to flop that? I might. I don't know how best to put this. That was perfect for me. So we've got our flock kit from flockit.com. I will link the description below. Here's our applicator. We've got 2 bags of black flocking material, a shitty little paintbrush that I don't know what they expect you to do with, and then we've got glue. So theoretically, what you do is put glue on everything and then fill your little flocker up with flocking material, and then you just pump it on there. And you basically have 10 to 15 minutes before that adhesive sets, and it won't accept any more material. So we're gonna have to work relatively fast. But the whole idea is I'm gonna do all of it. So we'll see how it turns out. What do you think, Alfie?
I think it'll turn out good.
You ready to do yours?
No. We'll see how yours turns out.
So first thing we're gonna do is get our fiber, and we're going to fill up our tube halfway. This is too big. Yep. I'm gonna go get a smaller spoon. So we have a right size spoon now. But what we're gonna do is fill this up halfway. That's what the instructions say.
What the fuck? It wasn't recording, or it stopped. That's what it was. Alright, so we already put the glue on. Everything is covered decently well. Should turn out pretty good. And here's James with the flocker. And I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna leave you guys right here.
Alright, so our flocking is done. I don't know if any of this recorded, but here's the final product. Now we just have to let this thing cure for a few days and we can put it back in the car. I think it turned out pretty decent, Alfie.
A little thin there.
Yeah. At least we're like a little bit thin on the parts no one's gonna see.
Yeah.
I want to like make sure this. Okay, this looks pretty dope on camera.
Yeah, it looks good.
So, there you go, kids. 15 minutes of work, and your dash can look like a race car. So, good shit. Alfie, you pleased?
Yeah, it looks good. Can't wait to see it in the car.
Check out my hands. But wait, there's more. I made a blister and it fucking ate itself. Well, here's our Dexter scene done for the day. We will reclaim some of this and we'll use it in Alfie's car whenever you decide you want to flock your dash, because I know you do. I know you want to now.
We'll see what it looks like in here.
I need to take a shower really bad.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, what's going on? It is day 2 of dash flock, whatever we're calling this. Flocking? Whatever, but it's day 2. So what we had to do was we got all this applied yesterday and we had to let it sit for 10 to 15 hours before shaking it. So I can't remember, I let it sit for basically 24 just to be safe. Figured that would be good. Here's all of our excess that we're gonna reclaim. But let's get this to sit right. Nope. Damn it. Alright, so we're gonna shake this off and we're gonna see what happened and see what comes off, see how it looks. Hopefully it looks good. This is my first time ever doing this. I was slightly nervous about doing it, but let's shake it off.
Just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 break. And the fake is gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off. I never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet. And that's what they don't see.
What is up, guys? It is day 3 of dash flocking and all of that. We're gonna get the whole interior back in the car today. Alfie's gonna help me put it in. But the dash turned out pretty good. There's a few spots that we missed, but overall looks like a race car. We did a good job. So let's get it in the car.
looks pretty good. Touched up some parts. It'll dry off, but that looks good. So most of the dash is in. Well, the big part is in there. Now James has to work on putting everything back else, which is all over there. But I'm excited to see this turn out. Maybe I'll do the M3 too. Maybe I did.
So there were a few parts in the dash that we missed, so we touched them up. I don't think you can really tell where they're at, so I'm not going to tell you, just to make myself feel better. But right now, we're working on getting the switch panel good again, make sure everything works before I bolt down the rest of this dash, and then I don't want to do that and find out it doesn't work. So we're doing that. We're trying to mount my wideband using stuff that's a little bit better than duct tape. So we're going to use zip ties, since why not? A quick update. All the wire's good, the switches are good. We put the shifter back on. Now I'm just gonna get back to putting the dash in, and I'm probably gonna time lapse it because you guys already saw me take it out. So all you gotta do is do everything backwards. But yeah, we're gonna do that next. So we've got the interior kind of going back together well. The whole dash is bolted in, the glove box is in, the idiot cluster is in. Next I'm going to do the gauge cluster, and then we will tackle everything else. We've got our plugs on for the cluster, the speedo cable. Now I gotta put the screws back in, and then we'll get the bezel on, and then we're good. So I didn't really film too much, but our dash is in, and I'm gonna clean up all this mess, vacuum some stuff, and then I'll roll the car outside and get some better shots for you guys, so y'all can see it. And Alfie's putting on his LRB speed door handles. You like them?
Door straps.
Door straps. Pull straps.
I do like them.
Door pulls. Skirt. So we are done cleaning up. The car's outside. Here's a quick little kind of walk around of the dash. So I was saying earlier that we missed some spots. We did not touch up that back row because there's a piece of trim that'll lay on that, and LRB makes it, and I'm gonna try to get Landon to send me that over so we can have that, and it'll look good. But overall, the flock dash turned out amazing. I'm very happy with it. It is overall super easy. Basically, you just got to make sure you take your time laying out the glue, but also you have to be quick and get everything just done. It helps to have somebody with you. Alfie made it a lot easier putting the glue down, and it also helps to have someone help install the dash with you. But overall, install went great. It was pretty easy, and I think that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for all the support. We will catch you guys later. Bye. Bye.